Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to add an image to one of your pages in GroovePages. Start off by logging into Groove Apps, navigating into GroovePages, and for this demonstration I'm going to add a new site and I'm going to be using one of our pre-designed templates. Now the process is the same whether you're using a template or an empty canvas. I'm going to choose this one right here. Okay, all right. Now, in order to easily align my image properly, I'm going to use a one-column layout to hold my image. Right, so we find that inside the elements sidebar. Next, I'm going to be scrolling down until I see the media section. And you basically have two options here for images. You have a round image and a regular image. The round image, as the label suggests, is automatically rounded for you, and the regular image is just that, a regular image. I'm going to be using a regular image element for this video. Dragging that onto the canvas into my layout. All right, next thing, we hover the mouse over the image until we see the purple outline appear, and then we click. Now we see the style editor on the right side opens up right here. We have two tabs. We have a design tab, which allows us to modify the styling used for the element. And then we have the functionality tab right here, the second tab that allows us to set certain configuration parameters. It's in the functionality tab where you want to change your actual image. So we're going to go ahead and click browse. Now, these are all the images that are already in my image library. We also have a free stock photos section, which allows you to search millions of royalty-free images that you can use inside your projects. If you found an image you like, all you need to do is simply click it and wait for it to upload to your image library. Once uploaded, it will automatically switch to the My Files tab, and it will have the new image selected. Now, typically, you will want to do some editing right here. You might want to make the image smaller by changing the dimensions, or you might want to use our cropping tool to change the shape or cropping of the image. I'm just going to use the image as is for this video. So we're going to choose Select. We'll see the image appear right here, and the last step in the process would be to update the actual image.